Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Laarni Salvacion Abinal Manzano Roy. I am 35 years old from Philippines. I am married and I have one daughter. I am a college level and studied Bachelor of Food Service Management and a vocational of a complete module care. My first working abroad was in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. I am taking care of a 14 years old boy who has a cerebral palsy case. I am her caregiver since when he was only 4 years old until he reached the age of 14 years old. As her caregiver, my duty is giving him a food, taking him bath, and giving him medications, all his medicines that he needs. Sometimes when I have a free time, I am washing his clothes, playing with him, and conversating with him. I am the one also who giving him a therapy and with him the time when he needs a checkups on his doctor. To my future employer, I am trustworthy, kind, honest, independent, and I can do all things multitask. And I promise, when I do my job well and you like my work, and return, I will recontract it. And I will return also the love that you give to all your employees. Thank you, and to your family, Ma'am and Sir, God bless.